In this video, I am going to talk about 12 free certification courses from Udemy. So let's see directly what are these 12 free certification courses. The first course is here for you, JavaScript Basics to Advanced Step-by-Step 2020. It is the perfect JavaScript course for all those who want to learn and master JavaScript programming skills right from scratch. The second course is here for you, building Android widgets from scratch. Learn 8 widgets from these courses. The third course is here, learn machine learning and artificial intelligence, including hands-on 3 projects. The fourth course is here, Milestones in Python 3.9 with exciting new features. The next course is Python and Flask demonstration practice courses. This course is a great practice to both fundamental Python programming concepts and the Flask framework by demonstration. The next one is CPU mining tutorial, Minecraft to earn free BPS. So this course will help you to learn to mine sugar crypto on a free BPS. As a bonus, they'll teach you how to mine Monero for free as well. The next one is human analytics using Microsoft Excel for human resource management. This course will help you to learn how to use Excel for human resource analytics, calculate human resource metrics, build human resource dashboard, and machine learning models for human resource and people analytics. The next one is anti-money laundering concepts. Anti-money laundering, KYC and compliance. Everything is included here in this course. The next one is Agile project management. Agile, Scrum, Kanban, XP. Everything you need to know to get started with Agile project management is found here in this course. The next one is React and JS Complete Guide for Front-End Web Development 2020. You can be an expert React.js developer and you'll be able to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything whatever you know, you can learn from this course. The next one is Atlassian Confluence Masterclass 2020. And here the final course is Scrum Fundamentals for Scrum Master and Agile Projects 2020. So you can do this course too. So check the video description to get a link of all of these free certification courses.